Welcome back, everybody. A little more in the way of sunshine for parts of the state here today. 34 degrees in the capital right now. West wind at about 7 miles per hour. In Great Falls, had some clouds, but also a little sun poking through at times this afternoon. Look at the wind out of the south, gusting up to 35 miles per hour. That south and southwest wind pushed the temperature up over 50 degrees for the high today. Still not too far away from 50 for places like Havre as well. Lewistown hit 50. We're at 45 degrees right now. Downsloping winds warming the temperatures up across the Montana prairies, north central areas here in the state. And it's the wind, it's the dry weather that we've had, and it's this area that we'll have to watch out for maybe grass fires potentially here. If some way you were to start a grass fire here, they would take off pretty quickly in these conditions. So please be careful. Watch those things that could maybe create sparks, thus leading to a wildfire. Yeah, here we're talking about that in the middle of December. Wind, there you can see the sustained winds generally out of the south and the southwest here across north central Montana. That wind will really increase so overnight tonight into tomorrow around Cup Bank and down through Browning over through about the Choteau area, almost to Augusta here. That's where high wind warning has been issued until about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Some wind gusts could top 60, even 70 miles per hour. The system responsible for the wind is producing a little in the way of some rain and also some snow up there around Lookout Pass, Lolo Pass, a little snow. This is yet another one of these systems where it kind of is fizzling. It's losing a lot of steam, a lot of its moisture as it comes in from the Pacific here. And we will look at a little in the way of some snow right down the Continental Divide here tonight. Maybe a few snow showers in the hills around the capital. Some snow showers out through about the central mountains here, the little belts, the big belts as well. But watch what happens here, 6:30 tomorrow morning, maybe an early snow shower around the capital. And then the clouds, the snow pretty much disappears here throughout the day on Saturday. We'll have mostly sunny skies and a very windy day for everybody here on Saturday. And then getting into Sunday, little in the way of some high clouds coming into the western part of the state. But all in all, we're looking at another decent day. Temperatures a little bit above average, and there will be some wind. Now, snowfall amounts, not very much, maybe a couple inches up around Glacier, as much as about an inch or two right down the Continental Divide to just west of the capital. Here's the forecast for tonight. Wind increasing. Look at these temperatures. These numbers about where our average highs should be for today, and talking about overnight lows staying above the freezing point for some parts of the High Line, down into the 20s northeast Montana, staying above freezing though around Lewistown, and right near the freezing point here, the capital. Hopefully a little light snow up there around Great Divide here tonight. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. A cold front moving through early in the morning. Snow shower maybe before it even starts to get a little light in the morning. High temperatures in the 40s. It will be windy, low humidity, dry. Watch the potential again for maybe starting a grass fire in north central Montana. Here's the forecast for Sunday. More wind, temperatures in the 40s to about 50 degrees on Sunday. The unusual weather continues into Monday. High temperatures once again above average here, and then into Tuesday. This is when might start to see a little more in the way of moisture coming into the western part of the state. Late mix of rain and snow, but temperatures once again well above average. Tuesday night into Wednesday, we could have a little mix of rain and snow around the capital, and then looking towards the first day of winter next Friday, may have a little better chance at seeing some snow, and that may start the pattern change as we get towards a couple of days ahead of Christmas here, where we could have maybe some snow on Christmas Eve and then also on Christmas Day. So that's something to look forward to after all these warm temperatures.
Yeah, I'd say so. Thanks for that, Curtis. Now, Sam, looks like rodeo, wrestling. We got a full plate of sports coming up.
It's going to be a fun day, and if you guys stick around, you'll see highlights from the CMR Holiday Wrestling Classic. Be sure to stick around for that.